Time for my third and final alien makeup of this week. So I created the green alien on Monday. I did the yellow alien yesterday, and for today it is time to create this blue alien. So this one has been created with silicone prosthetics we have created ourselves here at our store, and the blue colors by Pro Air Hybrid and a bit of orange and a bit of yellow as well. Well, if you want to know how I have created this makeup, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here till Halloween, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I quickly put my bald cap on and blocked my eyebrows before starting this YouTube video. Basically because I already have very elaborate videos on both of these techniques, and I will link to them in the description box down below. For today I just want to focus on creating my alien, and that is why I am starting at this point today. So today's alien is inspired by a look that I did at a fair in July. I was asked to come and create a monster or an alien, so I turned my very dear friend Poom into an alien, and I decided to recreate that look on my own skin today. So for the alien there were a few prosthetics made, and one of them is this one. So this one has been made by my latest intern Tara, and Tara sculpted this as her first silicone prosthetic. Although it is very large, I hope I will be able to put it on my own skin. But this isn't the only prosthetic that I'm going to use in this makeup. I'm also going to use this one, and I have a few horns that I want to apply to my cheek. All the prosthetics I'm going to use are encapsulated with Baldies. They are made with Platsil Gel 25, and I used a bit of deadener to soften them a bit. So to glue them on my skin, I'm going to apply a layer of Prosade, and then with some acetone I can blend away the edges. It is always difficult to get any brow prosthetic on your own skin because, well, as you can see, this blocks my eyes and I don't really see what I'm doing. Time for the second prosthetic. So I have chosen this one. That is an extremely long prosthetic to glue on your own skin. So that is why I cut off the edges of the prosthetic. That saves me a lot of blending on the skin, and well, in the back that wouldn't be something I could do on my own head. So I'm gonna glue the entire thing, but I will make it beautiful for as far as I can see in the mirror. Okay, here goes nothing. That is all the prosthetics on my skin. So I have the brow, I have the very large one created by my intern Tara, and I have the little horns on my cheekbones. Time to continue to the coloring of this makeup. The alien I did in July was done with the airbrush, so that is what I'm going to do again today. And I'm going to work with my favorite airbrush paints, which are the Pro Air Hybrid colors. So let me quickly just get that done so we can continue to have a bit of fun putting highlights and shadows on this alien. So the next color is electric blue, which is just slightly darker than the sky blue, and I will build it up from the lightest color of blue until I have the darkest one, so I can really put some attention to the shadows. Enough with the electric blue. This is neon blue, so this actually glows under black light, but that is not what I'm going to use it for. It will just be the next color to put some shadows on my face paint. I must say it is really difficult to airbrush the back of your own head, so it might not look as smooth as I wanted it to, but at the end I will use some stencils and it will all be okay. So this one is blue, that is the next color we're going to use. And the darkest one is the cobalt blue. I will just use it for a few details, but I won't put too much of that in this makeup because I think it will get too dark if I do. A bit of white for the highlights. And I will use the same white on a brush for the horns. I painted them all blue with the airbrush and I just want to get them back into the white. Now all the basic color is on my skin. I'm going to continue to a stencil, so I'm very sorry I didn't clean this one before starting this YouTube video. This is one of the Quick Ease stencils by Pro Air and it has all little round shapes on it. I think it's called bubbles. And I will use it to create some patterns on my skin. This color is Ice. It is also blue, but it has a very different tone to it than all the other blues. So that is why I said that the sky blue was the lightest. I meant the lightest bright blue. So Ice is the next one I'm going to use with the bubbles stencil as well, as I don't only want white bubbles on my skin, but also a few yellow or orange, I don't really know yet, and the ice color as well. Vein Tone is also from the Zombie series by Pro Air. This last color was called Vascular. So I'm moving on to yellow, the first non-blue color I'm going to use in this makeup. And the final color will be orange. As I have some yellow and orange paint on my skin aside of all the blue, I think it would be fun to use some yellow and orange contact lenses as well. So these are called Sun Saturation and I'm quickly going to put them on my eyes. There they are. I think they are very fitting for this makeup. So finally I am going to put some black Star Blend around my eyes because they are still very light at this point. So I won't put too much on there. And with that Star Blend, my third and final alien makeup of this week is done. So I always have loads of fun when I can work with prosthetics and my airbrush. So I definitely enjoyed creating this video for you. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you got inspired to make an alien yourself. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this channel. We still have new videos every day till Halloween, so stay tuned.